All right, look at this. We got a Japanese Kobe beef tenderloin. What a special treat today. Weighs about 14 pounds. We're going to clean it and cut it in some steaks. All the fat we're going to take off. We're going to turn in some ground beef for nachos. We're going to mix it with probably a bit of sirloin tip, something a little bit lean, and start cleaning her up. So it's an A5 from the Kobe Prefecture in Japan. Beautiful fillet. I'm going to start working just by hand, trying to peel away that side seam, get that first layer of fat off. You can hear it tearing away. We don't want to take too much off. We want to make it look nice. But once I get into this, you're going to be able to see all the marbling in there. With a 14-pound tenderloin, it's going to have a nice layer of fat to it. Let's see all the different beautiful layers there. I got a bin next to me here. What we're going to do is we're going to take the scraps, we're going to put it in there. We'll go through it after. Once you get through all these beautiful layers, all this great marbling. It's not often we get to clean up a piece like this. Just a really nice fat, super greasy. Nice to work with. The trick is try to keep as much meat on it as possible. With a piece that's this expensive, you don't want to waste anything. See, as we're getting close, you can see it's going to have some great marbling. You can see where it came off the rib. We're getting closer here. See, we're getting at the silver skin. It's going to take a lot of trimming to get at this, but make it look beautiful. Once we get down to those steaks, you'll see the incredible marbling there. Wow, it's beautiful. Look at that. Once we get into those steaks, it's going to be incredible. A5 Kobe. Stop and look at that. How nice that's going to be. The grind that we're going to make is going to be incredible. All right, so now that we got most of the fat cleaned off, we're going to flip it over and then we're going to start on the bottom side. So we still got all this to look after. You can see there's a bunch of fat under here that you want to get rid of. That's right along where the bone was. And we're almost there. All right. Got it pretty well cleaned up here. Now she's ready to cut some steaks.